Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. Fake. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. No. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. No. Never put a hater in my motherfucking life. Pull up in that foreign and my insides all white. Foggy bubble chains, man, that shit look all white. Bought it off IG, got it shipped the next night. Damn Haitian Jew, why you snapping like that? That ain't your chain, why you capping like that? How he snatch your shit in your homeboy strap? Clout chasing that rapper. Clout chasing rappers on the gram for the views. Faggot ass rappers wearing dresses with a tooth. Some pussy ass niggas. Listen. Watch this, Haitian Jew. Listen, let's go. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. All Cappaz, fake rappers, fake trappers. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life. Never been a hater in my motherfucking life.